Hi Dress-Up Cuties, Winnie here. It's fun art time, and today we're going to celebrate the coolest pop for Father's Day. So let's get started. To draw this very cool pop, let's first start by drawing the popsicle shape. So I'm going to start at the top, and I'm just going to go ahead and just draw a curve. So this is just meant to inspire you. You can come up with your own popsicle shape. It doesn't matter. Just have fun with this. So I'm just going to go with your basic generic shape here. Just bring it down. And then drag it all the way down. I'm just going to go back and forth just so it's a little bit more even. And let's see here, let's start to bring it in. So about right here, I'll start to curve it in. And same thing over here. And about right there, go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a soft curve. There. Okay, so now that I have my popsicle shape in, let's come to the bottom right here. I'll draw the stick. So right in the center, I'm just gonna give myself a little point so I know I'm gonna come out and about here. So it's nice and centered, and I'm just gonna bring out the popsicle stick. Nice thick popsicle stick, and then bring it down to about right there. Not too long. So same thing on this side, and connect at the bottom with a curve. There. So that is your typical popsicle, right? Or ice cream bar. Then from there, let's break it up into some colors to make it extra fun. So let's say about right here, give myself a point. I'm just going to drag a point across since I'm drawing pretty big so I know where I'm going. So I'll just bring a curve down, right back up to my point. So same thing about right here. Drag a point across. So it just makes it easier for me to see where I'm going. And once again, go right back up. So I've broken into 3 colors, and then to bring it to life to celebrate Father's Day, right? So come about right here. I'll just go ahead and start with a circle. And I'll come right across and draw another circle about right here. And since they're kind of small, I'm just going to give it one little highlight right here and then shade everything else in. And same thing over here. So just a little highlight in the corner. And then let's come to the top, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. And then the mustache. So let's come right to the center, say about right here. Now I'll just give myself another point about right here, right underneath, just so I know where I'm going. I'll come up, come down, and draw this silly mustache and bring it right back to my point. So same thing on the other side. Nice big mustache. Of course, you can also give this popsicle here some sunglasses if you want to make them extra cool. It's all up to you. I really hope this drawing inspires you to draw it for your father, because he's the coolest pop, right? So I'm just going to shade this all in so you can see a little bit better. There. And that would be pretty much it, right? But I want to go ahead and just help you show you how you could write "You're the coolest pop." So let's come to the side right here, and I'll just go ahead and quickly write "You are." Now let's tuck in the word "the" right here. And coolest. Pop. So P O exclamation with a heart. So then I'm going to come in here real quick, and all my downward strokes, I'm just going to make it a little bit thicker just to spruce it up. So hopefully that helps you with your lettering. So all the downward strokes, just thicken it up a little bit. And this is when you can make any adjustments you need to. So if you love pun art, definitely check out my pun art playlist. I've done a bunch. I even had one for Father's Day, I think, last year. Something about rock. So check that out, and hopefully those help you too. There, so nice and spruced up now. Much better, right? Just to add some weight to our letters. There. And I'll just come in here really quickly and just draw a bunch of hearts at different angles. One more right here, perhaps. Smaller one. Oh, and oops, I forgot. I have to add a heart right here, right? To make it my Draw So Cute popsicle. Almost forgot. There, so all done, and I really hope this inspires you to draw it for Father's Day, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you.